Okay guys, this is where all started. Before I show you the video that I wanted to share with you today, this is where it all started. UZinxumalo noSisi, they were ignoring uSisi Thembisiyede. Okay, sharp, all the comments, people commented why you were ignoring Thembisiyede and all that stuff. So guys, on my next video, I'm gonna share with you UZinxumalo and Sisi responding to these comments ukuthi bona bam-ignoranga uSisi Thembisiyede. But now into engithusa kakhulu, there is a story between these three girls because uZinxumalo uthi ku-performance yakhe, during her performance uthi manje yena ngimoshile ku-TikTok yakuthola, then uculele ngoma yakhe ngicela ningicolele whatsoever. So manje guys, if there is no story between these three girls, then guys kwenzakalani? Mina I think there is a beef between uZinxumalo and Thembisiyede, Sisi and Thembisiyede, all this stuff guys, because leseka isachubeka. If you think like me, or if ubona ngathi wena nawe kune story, tell me in the comments ukuthi wena ubonani. Here's the video of Zinxumalo performing. Ngicela nilalele guys, because if ngana story la, or if ngana beef thizeni, but ngicela nilalele guys, then you can respond in the comment down in the comment section below.
Moshile lapha ku TikTok bathi mina ngifuna ukungikhansela, so ngicela ningincede siqolise before basikhansela. Cela uxolo, cela uxolo, cela uxolo, mangingazi ukuthi ngiyamu ignora mina. Cela uxolo makadile ngikubone solo, cela uxolo muntu wami.
So guys, Nizwele Nani, if you have any opinion or review guys, you can comment down below and share with us your thoughts. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon in order to be the first person to know whenever I upload a new video. Once again, thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one.